Hey, listen, this is going to be a quick lesson on the minor pentatonic scale. We're going to do it in the key of B, B minor, exactly. If you don't understand what the pentatonic scale is, or minor or major scale is, please visit my website at kevinwilsonguitar.com, kevinwilsonguitar.com, and I have a free mini course, and it breaks down all the minor and the major scales, so that'll help you out a bunch. And then come on back and check out this video. Okay, what you've seen in that clip, I played a minor pentatonic scale, then they went from a B minor, and then they went to an E minor, and back to the B minor, and those are the scales that I played, okay? Then they did a quick turnaround. We're not going to focus on that. We're just going to focus on that B minor pentatonic scale. Now, the second time that I went through it, I actually played it and skipped strings. And that's why it sounds different. I had a different approach, and I'm going to show you how I did all of that. So let's begin with playing that B minor pentatonic scale, okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to start on the 7th fret with our first finger. We know our fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, and the thumb we would call 5, but we're going to use our 4 fingers here. We'll start on the 7th fret on that B string, or not the B string, but the 6th string. On the B is the note, which is the 7th fret. Then we're going to go 7th fret. Then we go into the 10th fret with our pinky. Or you can play with your ring finger, either or the 4th, I say the 4th or 3rd finger. I like to play with my pinky because I like to stretch out. So we go, then we go to the 5th string, 7 and then 9 instead of 10. So we have, then we go to the 4th string, 7, 9, then the 3rd string, 7, 9 again. And then our 2nd string, 7, 10 again. So when we get to the B string, we're going to 7, 10. 7th fret, 10th fret. Then we get to the 1st string, we're going to go 7, 10 again. So remember, the 6th string, 2nd string, and then the 1st string will be 7, 10. And the rest of the strings will be 7, 9, okay? Again, here we go. Again. Now, when they went to the E, they played the E minor 7 chord. I played the same pentatonic scale, but I started on the E, which is the 7th fret on the 5th string. And I played it same way that I did we did on the 6th string, okay, on the B note. Okay, but when we got to the B string, we played the 8th fret and the 10th fret because of the way the B string is tuned. Then we went 7, 10 on the 1st string. So it's 7, 9, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 9, 7, 9, 8, 10, 7, 10. That's when we go to the E, when it moves to the 4. So we have first, again, and then we move to the E, So that when it went, and then back to. Now the second go around, when they finished that, I played it the 7-10. Then on the fourth string, I went 7-9. So then I went to that fifth string, 7-9. Then the third string, 7-9. Then I went back to close that out to the 7, then the 9th fret on the 4th string. So it sounds like this. So here we go again. And that is exactly what I played. And that's playing the minor pentatonic scale. And you can play that anywhere up and down the fretboard. I hope you enjoyed what you heard. If I can help you any kind of way, please hit me up. Remember, go to my website, kevinwilsonguitar.com. Free mini course. Grab all that information. And guess what? I'll see you the next time.